Hello guys, I'm Advocate Sanjay Arya from Laxis and Company. Today I will be discuss about the UP Urban Building Act. Tenant can be deposit rent in a court only landlords refusal to accept it. The Supreme Court have recently passed the judgment held that the Section 30 Uttar Pradesh Urban Building Regulation of Letting, Rent and Eviction Act 1972 provided that tenant may be deposit a rent in the court on refusal of the rent by the landlord. But this position only lasts till the landlord express his willingness to receive the rent. If the landlord serves formal notice expressing willingness, the tenant upon receipt of notice is under an obligation to tender the rent at least at the rate admitted to the landlord. The bench comprises Justice Anirudh Bose and Justice Sudhanshu Dule was deciding a challenging rising out of the rent and eviction proceeding from the small causes court. The court was an eviction was allowed by the small causes court, which was appealed by the district court and later the Allahabad High Court. The factual background: in 1982, a premises in the state of UP was rented out on the monthly rent of rupees 1,65,000 letters. The rent was increased a couple of item of 95 to 250, then the 300. The tenant denied the claim of the rent being increased to 300. It appeared that in 1993 the landlord refused to accept the rent paid by the tenant as it was allegedly that the tenant was only paying the increased amount. Subsequently, the tenant started depositing the rent in court to the civil judge as per the Section 13 of Uttar Pradesh Urban Building, the Regulation of Letting, Rent and Eviction Act 1972. Subsequently, the landlord gave a notice to the tenant demanding areas of rent from 1993 onwards. Since the tenant did not deposit the amount within the stipulated period of time, the landlord filed a suit for the area of rent eviction before the small causes court. A degree of eviction and recovery of rent was passed against the tenant. The eviction petition before the district judge and writ petition before the Allahabad High Court was also dismissed. The High Court had noted that there was no evidence to show that there existed an oral argument provided for the periodic increasing of rent from 250. In the absence of such proof, the High Court found that the correct monthly rent would be 250. However, it held that once the landlord by the way of a notice had expressed willingness of service rent, then the tenant had no option but no deposit the rent before the landlord and not in the court under a Section 30. Analyzed by the Supreme Court agreed with the reasoning period by the High Court. It noted that Section 30 contemplating that the rent can be deposited in a court until the landlord in the measuring significance by notice in the writing to the tenant has willing to accept it. Tax could absorb that the tenant can only be deposit rent in the court as long as the landlord refuses to accept it. Once the landlord expresses willingness of accepting the rent, the tenant ought to deposit money with the landlord. It further noted that the notice given by the landlord asking for the areas for the rent expresses willingness to accept the rent. In this regard, the court referred to the judgment of bench of the Allahabad High Court, Gaurang Singh versus First Additional District and Session Judge Hathroth. It is a landlord has been refusing to accept the rent at the correct rate and has not been claiming rent at the higher rate. The tenant had consequence of landlord yearly refusal in the past deposit the rent in the court under the Section 30 and thereafter landlord serve the formal notice to the demanding against the higher rate or express his willingness to accept the rent. The tenant after receipt of notice is under the obligation to tenant rent and at least the rate admitted to him or to landlord as going has got to right to straight away deposit the same under a section 38 act. And thank you so much guys, I hope you will like it. We come with a new videos and new session which you love it.